Weather report, April 2017. Look at the weather we're getting up in Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. Friggin' snow. What? A shit ton of it. Big old wet snowflakes. We don't like that kind very much around here. We don't like that kind. Maybe if I had a snowmobile, I'd like that kind. But right now I don't really like it. I'm John the Picker. Spring in Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. Spring. Anywhere else it's raining. Here, it's snowing. Let's check the gas prices at the local Walmarts. You guys thought I was joking with the snow, didn't you? Can't even see the gas prices today. Snowing up big times in the Picker Hood. I'll let you get a nice view of that. Where's it coming from? I don't understand. That way.